Do you want to create hidden folders that are not visible to anybody on your MacBook? And here is a hidden folder. If I just press some keys, it is disappeared and now it is appeared again. And if I go to this folder, there are a lot of files and you may be hiding something, maybe your girlfriend from your dad and mom here in this folder. So how you can do that on your macOS, I'll guide you in this video. To create hidden folders and files, you need to go to your applications. Now need to go to your utility. And here you will find the terminal app. If this app is not here, you can also access this one by pressing command and spacebar, and here you type terminal and this is terminal app. Once you are here, you need to write some commands, and all the commands and scripts will be in the description of this video. You can go there and check out. The first command will be the directory. This is cd and then this symbol, I don't know what is this, and then / and downloads. Downloads is my directory. You can have anything like library, photos, or anything here, but in my case I will create a hidden folder in downloads. Hit enter, and now you need to write the second command. This is the second command, mkdir, and remember to give a space after this command like this, and then write dot, and here is the name of your hidden folder. In my case, this is hidden folder. This is the name, and here I can place all the pictures or photos or files, whatever I don't want to show to others using my laptop or computer. Okay, hit enter, and it has created a hidden folder in this download directory. Now I need to go to downloads, and here I can see my hidden folder. To see the hidden folder, you need to press command shift and dot. Here is our hidden folder. All right, if you create folder like this one, just go to new folder and create dot hidden. It will say, are you sure you want to use a name that begins with the dot hidden? All right, and it will create, but in some cases it doesn't even create and it's not a hidden folder. If you start without the terminal, it will not be a hidden folder because folder starting with the dot is for the system. So I'm gonna delete that one. Here is the folder, and now I'm gonna go to these dummy files and copy these files. Now I go to this folder we just created and paste these files here. Now these files are in the hidden folder. What I need to do, if I want to make them invisible again, I just need to press command shift and dot button, and all the hidden files are invisible now. I want to bring them again, command shift and dot button. All right, so these files are hidden and they are in the hidden folder. You can do it with the hotkeys or just use this command again and it will be visible here. And if you don't want to make it visible, just press command shift and like this one, it's gone. Alright, so this was the method to create a hidden folder and to hide it and make it visible again. But what if you want to make it visible permanently but not like a hidden folder? If you want to in the future maybe change it, something like, okay, now this folder should be visible. So how you can do that? Because unless you make it visible, it will stay hidden folder. So you have to make it visible with the help of command again. For that, you need to go to your terminal again and here write the same command we did before, downloads. Downloads, remember, it's a directory where we created this hidden folder. Now it will not show anything, then you need to list this one. And how to list? There is another command to list this folder so that you can rename this one, because this starts with the dot, and if that starts with the dot, it will be, you know, a hidden folder. But you need to rename and remove that dot and rename it to anything else so that it will be visible to everybody using your MacBook. All right, so the next command here will be this command, 1s and space and dash 1a. Hit enter and you will see this hidden folder. It is listed here, dot hidden folder, and I created this one here today and these dates are there. It means it is simply listed. Now what we need to do, we need to write another command and that will be visible. So the new command is just go to paste this command, mv, then need a space, and after that press dot, and what is the name of our hidden folder? That is hidden folder, and give another space. This is the original name, and now we need to give it any name. For example, go subscribe. All right, I will hit enter and you will see here is the go subscribe folder. It will show you hidden folder, but it's not. Actually, you just double click and then go back and this is the folder. Now it is visible to everybody, so you can just go check it out, and there are all the files and folders here. Now if I press Command Shift dot, then there is only like no hidden file there. There is another workaround. You can deal with the utility, but that will be in another video. You can burn image to create secret folders on your macOS. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video about video editing or maybe about macOS. Bye.